Hello everyone, this is Anirudh and welcome back to the channel. In this week's brand new video, we are going to unbox this. This is the 5th generation Apple TV 4K and this one right here in the studio is the 32GB variant and it is priced at 17,000 INR. And with the help of this device, I can stream online content in full HDR with Dolby Atmos sound, and trust me, it's the best experience one can get and you can do even much more. So let's cut it down and quickly open it. As soon as you open the box, you will find the Apple TV with its uniquely designed remote, and don't be mistaken, it is not an ordinary remote, it's the Siri remote. The design looks so minimal, the buttons are quite nicely placed and the back with a silverish finish and Apple logo is looking so good. And that's what is Apple TV 4K. So let's keep this aside for a while and see what else we have in the box apart from the Apple TV. So in the box we have a usual quick start guide with some Apple stickers, and over there below it we have a lightning USB cable to charge the Siri remote. And the fun fact over here is that the cable which comes in the box is the same which we get with an iPhone, so you can use the same cable to charge both the devices, and that's pretty cool in fact. So the last item in the box we have is a power cable, and the power cable over here is used to plug in your Apple TV into the power source and connect it to your TV with the HDMI cable so that it starts working. And that's it, we have nothing else in the box. Unfortunately, Apple does not include a high-speed HDMI cable in the box, which means that you need to buy it separately. So that was satisfying. Let me peel off this black tape like thing that is around this Apple TV and check how many ports have we got. The Apple TV comes with 3 ports at the back, mainly for power, HDMI, and the last but not the least, the Ethernet in case you don't have Wi-Fi connection. The design looks simple but elegant. And moving on to the bottom, we will notice that we have got a raised bottom. Let me just bring closer to the camera. And the reason for such a design is so that the heat comes out easily in case it gets heated. The design of the Siri remote reminds me of the iPod Touch. It's slim and lightweight. Over here we have a trackpad on the Siri remote to scroll up, down, left or right while searching for the content which you want to stream. So that's all for today's video guys. I hope you liked it. So if you did, then don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to this channel for weekly tech content. And see you guys in the next video.